In this video, you will see how to install a maintenance update of HPE 3PAR operating system using the Service Processor Software 5.0.5. When a maintenance update or MU is available for the array, you receive a notification on the Systems page of the Service Console. Click on the update link that appears in the overview. Note that recommended maintenance updates or MUs are not downloaded automatically from InfoSite. You need to download them manually before installation. Also note that maintenance updates are allowed only on 7000, 8000 and 9000 families. To install the newly available maintenance update, select the update and click on Install. Online update is the default and recommended update method. Select the checkbox to confirm that you have read the release notes. Click on Check to perform system readiness checks. Once the readiness checks are run, you receive a message stating that you can initiate an update on the system. Click Install. Read the Customer Self-Update Agreement, then click on Agree. The maintenance update of HPE 3PAR operating system is run. Thank you.